AltermediosMSS is a technology company specialized in cybersecurity. Our team is composed of senior staff with more than 10 years of experience designing and operating technology solutions aimed at the security of information for companies. We are specialized in geographically distributed companies, whose main characteristic is to have a reduced and overloaded human resource in its functions. These companies require an ally that can provide them with agile, effective, and easy-to-use solutions. We are pioneers in Latam implementing outsourced services and in the adoption of the first security hardware designed by WatchGuard Technologies. We believe in long-term relationships, and we are committed with our customers. We try to support them in everything we can do to solve their needs and problems. That's why we're rewarded by our clients with long-lasting relationships that in some cases exceed a decade of working together. If you are looking for a company willing to support you, and that is your strategic ally rather than a simple product seller, do not hesitate to contact us.